Welcome everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike, and this is Outdoors and Offshore. Today I wanted to discuss with you this Encore that I'm hunting with. It's a black powder gun. I'm going to swap the barrel. I'm going to show you how easy it is to swap the barrel on these Encores. If anybody's out there considering buying one, or just maybe interested in just seeing the process, how it's done. Right now in South Florida, we're getting ready to go into turkey season. I'm going to swap over to my 12 gauge black powdered muzzleloader barrel, and we're going to kill a turkey this year with this barrel, with this black powder gun. I'm going to show you in another video how I load it, how I pattern it, and how that works. It's really fun gun to shoot. Takes a lot of work to figure out your loads, figure out what pattern you like, what distance you like, what size shot, how much grains of powder to how much grains of shot you put in there. Really changes the pattern, and it's just been a real fun gun for me, just figuring it out and then actually harvesting the turkey with it. Right here, what I have is my 50 caliber that I hunt deer and hogs with. And it's set up with it's an Thompson Center Encore. Got a Nikon scope on it, mounted with a raised scope or raised base. All the Thompson Centers come with a true glow sight. The Thompson's turkey barrel, it has the true glow sights when you buy it. It comes with a Thompson Center Turkey 2, and when you buy the barrel, it's going to come in a package, come like this from Thompson Center, and it's really nice to have just the spare barrel and your gun safe. When you want to change out, I don't have to have a whole nother gun. I just take this barrel, I swap it over. This sight will, this scope will stay mounted to this 50 caliber barrel. And then when I'm ready to black powder hunt next year or sight my 50 caliber in, the scope's already mounted. I haven't moved it, I haven't touched it, and it'll be dead on. This gun here has the thumb hole stock. It's in real wood hardwoods. Super accurate, super comfortable gun in your hand. It feels good. It's got a good, real steady. I love the gun. It's been real accurate. It's been a good gun to me. With further ado, let's get to swapping these barrels out, and I'll show you how easy it is. Alright, I'm going to show you now how I change this barrel. This has been a great gun. They make every kind of caliber you can imagine for this Thompson Encore for the pro hunter. What you can do is, say you want a muzzle loader, maybe you want a 25-06, or you want a 7mm, or you want a custom barrel. Now they're single shot. This is a muzzle loader 50 caliber, so it has the ramrod right here. It has the ramrod. And this forearm, the foregrip, is different than a rifle one, so you will need a new foregrip if you go from a black powder gun to a rifle gun. I'm actually considering buying a 224 Valkyrie in this gun for Florida deer hunting. If I do, I'll definitely keep you all posted. But right now, we're going to change this 12 gauge turkey barrel for the 50 caliber. Turkey season's coming up. I'm gonna show you guys how I pattern the gun and everything else to use it for turkey hunting. This is great if I know I hunt some public land. There's a bunch of public land that's primitive weapon only, and that's really why I bought this this barrel, because I was really interested in the challenge of killing an Osceola turkey with this muzzle loader. So real simple. There's a few things you need. Really all you really need is to change this barrel. It's that easy. A screwdriver. Really, it can be done with just a screwdriver. But there's a few things I need to do first, because I'm changing this muzzle loader. Now my Thompson's, my muzzle loader, they make an extractor here that turns sideways, so that way you can turn your extractors sideways, so you can undo your breech plug when you're if you have an issue or whatever, you need to discharge it from the top. You can get in, if you need to clean it, you can get your breech plug out without having to take the gun apart to get to the extractor. Because I have the gun apart, I'm going to swap these extractors, because the other barrel just has a regular extractor that comes with the barrel. But I want to swap these extractors while I'm doing it. It's real simple. I'm going to show you how I do that. It's an extra step that you won't have to do when you consider swapping a barrel. But here's the extractor. There's a screw hole right here. A screw hole right here in the barrel. All I'm going to do is take this, loosen the screw. I'm not going to take it all the way out. About 2 turns. About 2 turns. Maybe a little more. Couple turns. Comes right out. Done. Leave your screw in there, because we're going to swap it. We're going to put the flip down extractor in there when we do this. Now we're going to take the barrel off of this gun, get it ready to put away. I've cleaned it, and then we're going to mount that barrel on there. So what you do now, I don't even have to take the sling off. I don't even have to take the sling off to do this. I'm going to do it so you can see in the video. Just maybe make it a little bit easier to see what I'm doing. But you could actually, because I'm using the same foregrip, I could leave the sling on there. But what you're going to do, there's 2 screws. See, there's one here, there's one here on the foregrip. Undo these screws. I like to do these screws evenly. I like to take them out, you know, not take out one screw and then the other. I like to do them evenly at a time, and I'll show you why. In this foregrip, there's a tensioner right there. See that tensioner? And I like that to go down even. Now what I like to do is put my screws back. Now that the foregrip's taken out, now that foregrip's taken off, there's only one more step left. There's a pin right here. See this pin? This pin gets knocked out. That's all that there is to it. Now I could take this screwdriver. It's that easy. I'm doing this on this pad for a reason. That way, you know, I don't have to worry about jarring the gun. But just the palm of my hand, undo the gun, take your pin. Gun probably use a good cleaning at this point too. But right there. Now this is done. This barrel's out. Now I want to take this extractor. I want to take the extractor out, and I want to swap it. So I'll come in here. About 3 turns, I think I figured out on the other barrel. Take the extractor out. I'm going to put it back in here. I'm going to put that extractor in here. It only goes in one way. There's a notch. And now I just tighten this screw back down. Alright guys, I'm doing this real time. I'm going to try not to make no mistakes so there's no editing, so you can see exactly how long this takes. Now I mount this barrel, line up your holes, line up the holes, put the pin back in. It's a little tricky getting the holes lined up. That barrel's on, barrel's done. Now I just take my foregrip, see the ramrods built into the barrel. There we go. There we go. Tighten it. What you do is get the screw started. Get this screw started. Now with that spring in there, sometimes you got to push down. Tighten your screws down evenly. You do this one, then you do that one. Get them to where it snugs down evenly. Done. 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 Now I put my strap back on. I'm ready to go. There it is. This gun's ready to go to the turkey woods. It's ready to load. It's ready to pattern, and it's all ready to go. That's an up and coming video. I'm going to show you guys the different ways I load this, the different ways to load this gun, and you'll see me turkey hunting with this gun. We'll hopefully we'll knock down a nice Osceola with it, and get it all on film. But I like to, now you can take the extractor, you can put it back in your thing, put it in your gun safe, but I like to put it back in the gun so I don't lose it. Put it in there, sets. And there you have it. There's the 50 caliber there's the 50 caliber barrel ready to go in the gun safe. There's my shotgun ready to go to the turkey woods, and or to take to the range to pattern. That's how simple it is. That's all there is to it. Swapped, ready to go. Alright, so there you have it, YouTube. That's how you change the barrel on this Thompson Encore. Thompson Center Encore. If you have the opportunity to get one of these guns, they're a great gun. I love mine, I enjoy it. It's just so versatile. The fact that I can, if I decide I want another barrel to hunt with, a rifle, or say my kid wants it, I want a 20 gauge for my daughter, or a kid to take hunting, I can purchase these barrels separately. They don't take up a lot of space in the gun safe. You can mount a scope on every barrel you had. If you were, say you bought a rifle and you wanted to get another rifle barrel, you could leave your scope on there. Your scope sighted in. You just swap the barrels. 2 screws, a pin, you're done. Simple, real simple. You can get in there and clean the gun while you're at it. Clean all that stuff up. Real simple gun. Real simple to change out. Just a great idea. There's custom barrel builders that sell, companies that sell specific Encore barrels in different calibers. The Thompson Center is in many different calibers, many different, you can purchase this gun. And also I was told that the Thompson Center barrels are lifetime warranty. I have a friend that owns a gun shop that we actually purchased this gun from. Brand new, and he said that his Encore, he had an issue with the barrel had rust inside it. They replaced it. Thompson stands by their product. I mean, that tells me one thing right there. They stand by their product, and this has just been an awesome product. The 50 caliber has a quick, easy load. You can put, when you put your sabot in there, it goes in. You don't have it wiggling on the end of the barrel trying to get it started. It slides down real smooth. I like to use a lot of the Thompson Center products. I use the shockwaves. The 200 grain shockwaves are what I shoot in my 50 cal. I use the bore butter, a couple swipes of the bore butter. Perfect, accurate. Very, very accurate. Very, very much love this gun. With that being said, turkey season's coming. We're going to do a patterning video on this gun. I'm going to show you how I load it. I'm going to show you all the different kinds of charges that you can do, and how they pattern the gun differently. So stay tuned. If you like hunting and fishing, if you like this channel, if this is something that'll interest you and bring value to you down the line, maybe our how-tos might be just what you're looking for. I know that's how I found YouTube. I was looking for how to do something. One thing I was looking for was this gun here. There's a lot of, when you look up a muzzleloader black powder gun, you find a lot of night TK2000 videos, how to load them and everything else. And it's a different gun. It's a different system. It uses a shot cup and a wad. And I already had the 50 caliber in the Encore. And all I needed to do was swap the barrels, and I could hunt that style. I could hunt with a modern day muzzleloader for turkey, which allowed me access to some properties that I wouldn't have been able to hunt with. Some good birds. And we're going to hopefully bring you some of those good birds on video. And stay tuned. That's all we got for now.